Stop scrolling. If you think Pitbull is the most dangerous dog in the world, you've been lied to. Pitbulls don't wake up evil. They don't plan attacks. They don't choose violence. The real danger isn't the dog. It's the owner. Bad training, no structure, pure neglect. A trained Pitbull, loyal, focused, stable. An untrained, any dog, that's the real threat. Blaming Pitbulls is just easier than blaming people. If you think Pitbulls are misunderstood, hit like. If you think the owner is the problem, drop a comment. If you still think Pitbulls are dangerous, subscribe and prove me wrong.